Welcome to Mystical Minds. I'm your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be reading you a poem called Reflection of Your Inner Thoughts from the book 95 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Gerard. Reflection of your inner thoughts. Don't seek outside yourself for validation when you have everything you need from within. True love comes from loving oneself, and after that, it becomes a reflection of your inner thoughts. Seeking outside oneself for validation can be described as reaffirming your insecurities. Seek first within, then the affirmation becomes a confirmation of your beliefs. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. Now, I'd like to take a moment with you and think of 3 things from yesterday that you are grateful for. I'm grateful for being able to sit on my patio. I'm grateful for the beautiful weather. I'm grateful for my wife. She did some grocery shopping and I didn't have to go. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.